Hi everyone, welcome to Wyzebulb, a place where enterprises turn to automate their business operations by integrating their applications at one place. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to integrate an Active Campaign with Flowlu using Wyzebulb. Before integrating, first log in to our Wyzebulb account by clicking on Login. Now, enter the login or sign-in credentials, then further continue to create our automated workflow. After logging in, click on Create Flow to start your automation with Wyzebulb. Here we have two sections, Trigger and Action. Initially we will choose Active Campaign as our trigger. Select New Contact Added to List as the trigger event and click on Save and Continue. In the next step, connect your account by providing the API key and domain name, which can be fetched from your Active Campaign account under Developer Settings, then click on Add Account button to connect the account. Now, trigger the event by selecting the test sample and then click on the Save to Continue button. Let's move on to the Action section. Here, choose Flowlu as our action application. Select Create an Account in CRM as Action Event under Flowlu Application and click on Save and Continue button. Now we have to connect the account. Enter the API key, domain name which can be fetched your Flowlu account and click Add Account. Then click on Save and Continue. Select Setup Flowlu Template Setup and fill the required fields in the Flowlu template form. By clicking on the Add icon, you can choose the mapped data from the trigger application. Now save and continue to test the action. When the test is successful, check the newly created contact by navigating to your Flowlu account. Click on Continue. Further click of Save Flow button to save the flow by providing the name for your reference. Now go to the trigger application, and click on Add Contact. Enter the first name, last name, email and phone number. Click on Add, then Apply button. Navigate to your Flowlu Action application and check the triggered new contact. Thank you. For more such automations, contact and visit wyzebulb.com.